Hey, son, what are you doing?
Hi Wilson, my finger got cut at work. Fortunately, that's not a big deal. After cleaning, I find a bandage and I'm going to pass it.
Yeah, let me see. This is the bandage you want to use.
Yes.
But this is the Gaza bandage. If you want your wound healing beautiful and quickly, no scar, he is no useful.
Oh really?
Yeah, you should be try use the more better.
More better?
Yeah, this is the why I always take care it with me. The hydrocolloid bandage. Let me help you.
Oh, thanks. It seems really easy and fast to use. And I feel this is very soft and it made me feel very comfortable. Could you tell me more about what is hydrocolloid?
Sure, hydrocolloid. First product, the wound dressing. He is used in the hospital wound care. As more people know, he designed the bandage in the home care. On the recently, Trida company redesigned into the bandage, acne pad, and the foot care pad, making it more convenient in the daily necessary. The hydrocolloid product was designed as the IGIBAN, brand name hydrocolloid bandage, better design and operation.
Wow, so what is the best design for hydrocolloid bandage?
Yeah, he is better have a one piece and the 3D design. The edge is very thin and very close our skin. The outer layer is what PU thin. He can waterproof and isolate bacteria, plus the right thickening in middle, make it so excellent absorb the liquid. The special quality design make it more flexible. So this is why you can feel more comfortable. The new product design always have a more convenient operation design when you use it.
Wow, it sounds very different. So could you show me how is the convenient operation design?
Yes, like this bandage design, very easy to open and you can faster and accurately in your wound dressing. And like this is the acne pad. When you open, you don't need a clamp, so you can use your two fingers very quickly and faster and pick it and sticking like this. So I told you the better design.
Oh, that sounds really convenient. So who made this product? Where is it?
The Trida company in Taiwan Taoyuan City for 10 years. Taiwan company focus in the research the hydrocolloid wound dressing and develop the product for better use. Trida IGIBAN hydrocolloid product are not only sell in Taiwan, it also sell to Japan, Singapore, Hong Kong, and the United States.
How about IGIBAN brand? Does it get any certification?
Yeah, he have the ISO 13485 International Security Taiwan GMP Factory. He completed the CE certification. He also received the overseas registration permission from the Ministry Health, Library, and Waterfall for Japan.
Great, thanks for your sharing. I think I will prepare this kind of products. Next time I'll get hurt, I think I will get better wound care.
Yeah, you are welcome. You can go to the Trida website first. He have many useful information. And one more thing, organized by TAITRA, Taiwan International Medical Extension. Every year, Trida company have booths We welcome your visit. You can see the latest this year hydrocolloid product and the design. Trida IGIBAN hydrocolloid product. Our good design, your good life.